Did you know it only takes 17 seconds to activate a manifestation? This idea comes from Abraham Hicks, and it reveals one of the simplest yet most powerful secrets of the law of attraction. Here's how it works. When you hold a single thought for 17 seconds without distraction, your vibration begins to attract similar vibrations. It's like striking a match. The fire starts small, but the energy builds instantly. Now, if you hold that thought for 68 seconds, that's just 4 rounds of 17. The energy becomes strong enough to start manifesting into physical reality. So why is this so powerful? Because most of the time, our minds wander. We think about money for a few seconds, then slip into worry. We imagine love, then start doubting. But when you focus for 17 pure seconds, you align completely with your desire. No resistance, no mixed signals, just pure attraction. Here's how to try it. Pick one desire. Set a timer for 17 seconds. Close your eyes and imagine it clearly. Feel the emotions as if it's already yours. See the details. Hear the sounds. Breathe it in. Do this for 4 rounds, just 68 seconds in total. And watch how quickly synchronicities begin to appear in your life. So the next time you want to manifest, don't overcomplicate it. 17 seconds is all it takes to start the process. Focus, feel it, and let the universe take care of the rest.